Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Today I will take GK class of class 5. Let us start the chapter Plant Know-how. Turn to page 20 of your GK book. Children, let me tell you some interesting facts about plants before starting the exercises. Plants are multicellular organisms in the kingdom of Plantae that use photosynthesis to make their own food. They produce most of the world's oxygen and are important in the food chain. As many organisms eat plants or eat organisms which eat plants. Basic parts of plants are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Roots. Roots are the important underground part of all vascular plants. This part of the plant is mainly responsible for anchoring it down into the ground and absorbing the essential mineral elements, nutrients and water from the soil. It is also used to store food. However, not all plants have their roots underground. Some plants have their roots growing above the ground. These are called aerial roots. Here in this picture on your right hand side there is a picture of mangrove tree which bears aerial roots. Examples of aerial root bearing plants are bonsai, banyan tree and mangroves. There are many types of roots. The two main types are taproot system and fibrous root system. Generally the root helps in checking soil erosion, anchoring, absorption and storage. Next is stem. Stem in botany, the plant axis that bears buds and shoots with leaves and at its basal end roots. There are two types of stems, woody and herbaceous. Woody stems tends to become trees. There are 5 specialized stems like bulb, corm, rhizome, stolon and tuber. The main function of stems are it bears branches, leaves and gives place from where flowers and fruits grow. Conduction of fluids and minerals between the roots and the shoots in the xylem and phloem. It helps in storage of food. It has meristems that generate new living tissue. Leaf. Leaf is any usually flattened green outgrowth from the stem of a vascular plant. The basic 4 types of leaves are simple leaf, compound leaf, palmately compound leaf, pinnately compound leaf. The main function of leaves are photosynthesis, transpiration, guttation, storage, defense, etc. Flower. A flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in flowering plants. It consists of 4 kinds of structure attached to the tip of a short stalk. The main purpose of a flower in a plant is to reproduce. It gives protection to the reproductive organs like stamen and stigma. It attracts pollinators with their bright colors. It helps the plant to bear fruits and seeds after reproduction. Fruits and seeds. The seeds and fruits are the result of fertilization in plants. The ovary in angiosperm develops into the fruits, whereas the ovules become the seeds enclosed within the fruits. There are 4 types of fruits according to the arrangement from which they derive. They are simple fruits like pears, mangoes, aggregate fruits like strawberries, blackberries, multiple fruits like fig, pineapple, accessory fruits like mulberry, pineapple. Now children, turn to page 20 and we will do the exercises. Number 1. 84% of raw mango is made up of water. Number 2. 96% of cucumber is composed of water. Number 3. The pineapple is a berry. Number 4. Almonds are the oldest and extensively used nuts in the world. Number 5. Arrowroot is used as a thickener in cooking. Number 6. Mangoes have the highest calories per 100 grams of fruit. Number 7. Banana oil is made from banana. Number 8. Ginger is used for fighting motion sickness and it has no side effects. Number 9. No natural flower or blossom is absolutely black. Number 10. Oak trees do not produce acorns until they are 20 years old or older. Number 11. Drumstick is a vegetable. Number 12. Rice is a type of grass. Now children, you will draw an image of your favorite fruit in the given box of your book. Now let us read together quick facts. Bananas are actually herbs and peanuts are beans. More about plants that pollinate through moths are generally white or pale yellow in color, so that the moth can see them better in the dark. Plants that pollinate through butterflies have more colorful flowers. Now our next topic is human body. Before starting the chapter, children, I am going to tell you some interesting things about human body. Number 1, suppose when we brush our teeth too aggressively, then the enamel will wear down and make our teeth sensitive to hot and cold foods. Wisdom teeth. Do you know what are wisdom teeth? These are the type of teeth that grow at the back of your mouth. These wisdom teeth are left over from hundreds of thousand years ago. As early humans' brain grew bigger, it reduced space in the mouth, crowding out this third set of molars. Scientists aren't exactly sure why we yawn, but it may help regulate body temperature. Humans are the only animals with genes. As we breathe, most of the air is going in and out of one nostril. Every few hours, the workload shifts to the other nostril. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion smells. We have 2 kidneys, but only one is necessary to live. Thumbs have their own pulse. Our tongue is made up of 8 interwoven muscles, similar in structure to an elephant's trunk or an octopus tentacle. The only part of the body that has no blood supply is the cornea of the eye. It receives oxygen directly from the air. A newborn child can breathe and swallow at the same time for up to 7 months. Total length of all the blood vessels in the human body is about 100,000 kilometers. Human beings are the only living animals which sleep on their backs. The human skull is made up of 29 different bones. At birth, a child's body is made up of around 300 bones, but an adult has just 206 bones. Now children, turn to page 29 of your GK book and let us do the exercises. Complete the functions of the following body organs. Number 1, it pumps blood into the body. Number 2, it receives messages and gives informations. Number 3, it helps in breathing and respiration. Number 4, they filter out the waste liquids. Number 5, it helps in digesting our food. Number 6, they help in absorbing the nutrients from the food that we eat. Now children, let us read quick facts and more about together. Quick facts. The nail of the middle finger grows faster than the other nails. It takes 15 muscles to smile. More about our heart is a special muscle that pumps blood in our body. It is located a little to the left of the middle of our chest and is about the size of our feast. The right side of the heart receives blood from the body and pumps it into the lungs. The left side of the heart does the exact opposite. Hope you have enjoyed this class. You will go through the chapters and again we will meet. Thank you, children.